As Amy travels east past Mandy, it appears to Amy that Mandy is actually traveling west at the same speed she is traveling east. However, according to Mandy's frame of reference, Amy is traveling east while she is remaining at rest.
Hi, Mom. I'm playing with my friend now. I'll come pick you up at 3:30, okay? Okay. So my mommy just got me this doll, and it's like my most favorite doll now. I named her Shakondria. Oh my gosh, that's so cute. Oh my god, so much. It's my favorite doll ever. I want to touch it. Let's swing, Shakondria. Look, I'm higher than you. No! Haha, I got your doll.
While sitting on the swings, a tension force is created which runs through the chains that suspend the swing. Because the swing is not at an angle, the tension force is equal to the weight of Amy and Amanda.
No, you meanie butt! She took Zircondria. Oh, I'll never get her back. Don't worry. We just gotta go on a mission and we gotta steal it back from her. How? Oh! Look! We can, it says Tope Secrete. I think it's Tope Secrete. Okay. Mission impossible. It says retrieve baby doll. Baby doll. How do we do that? 5, 6. We're gonna get that doll.
As Mandy and Amy circle around each other, back to back, they are displaying Newton's third law, which states for every force there is an equal but opposite reaction force. This means that the force Amy is applying to Mandy is equal to the force that Mandy is applying to Amy.
How are we gonna find her? We gotta get to the highest point. Okay. Look! There! Okay. Let's do this. Maybe we should go a different way. Okay, let's go. Let's do this thing.
You see her anywhere?
There she is. Ha 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 ha. You'll never get your dolly back now.
Okay, so we're going to calculate Mandy's acceleration as she travels down the slide. The formula for acceleration is the change in velocity over the change in time. Her initial velocity was 0 because she was at rest, and her final velocity was 1.08 meters per second. Her initial time would be 0, so her final time would be 2.7 seconds. So in order to find her acceleration, you would do 1.08 minus 0, so final minus initial, over the total time, which is 2.7 seconds. So you'd get your acceleration is equal to 0.401 meters per second squared.
Ah! No! Are you okay? Just go! Okay. Hey. Come here, Shakondria. Come here, Shakondria. Silly girl. She'll never come to you. Newton's first law says that without an unbalanced force, she'll never come down. Shakondria. How do you think we're going to get her? I don't know. She's so high up. I know. I can't. Wait, what? Where'd she go?
As Amy tiredly dangles from the monkey bars, The force of gravity pulls her body towards the ground, and a tension force is pulling her upwards.
Come on! Okay! Hurry up! Where's the next one? Let's go! Come on! Oh, let's do this thing. Amy, that's too hard. Yeah. How are we gonna find a way to get to her? I'm getting kind of tired, but come on. Come on, let's go rest. This is a comfortable resting position. There's no time to waste. I need to go find my Shaquandria. I'm gonna go without you. Okay. I couldn't find her anywhere. You dum-dum. She's right over there. What the heck?
Oh, I'm getting tired. You can sleep here.
Dum-dum. Remember Newton's first law?
Oh yeah.
I'm never gonna get her. Here, I have a plan. Hey, let's do this thing. Yeah! You got this, Amy. Thanks. Go, Amy, go, go. Did you get it? Yeah. Hurry before she gets it. I got it.
As Amy attempts to drop the baby doll into Mandy's arms, the baby doll experiences a free fall. The doll is experiencing free fall because the doll is dropped with an initial velocity of 0 meters per second, and the only force acting on the baby doll is gravity.
Okay, we are going to find the velocity of the baby doll right before it hits the ground and Mandy misses it. So, in order to find the velocity, we're going to use the equation vx squared equals v naught squared plus 2 times the acceleration times x final minus x initial. So in this case, we're going to say that up is positive and down is negative. So the the initial velocity was 0. We know that the initial height was 3.23 meters high. We know the final height was 0 meters high. So Vx squared equals 0 squared plus 2 times the acceleration, and because this is a free fall object, we know acceleration is negative 9.8 since only gravity is acting on the object. We know that the final position was 0 meters high and the initial position was 3.23 meters high. So this goes away. We have Vx squared equals negative 19.6 times negative 3.23. That's going to equal positive 63.31. You take the square root of that and you get your final velocity equals 7.96. This is going to be negative, however, though, because the baby doll is traveling downwards. So negative 7.96 meters per second.
Oops, I missed. Mandy, I got it. It's okay.
Okay, we are going to find Amy and Mandy's total distance versus their displacement. So at the beginning of their mission, they started at the yellow tube which they crawled through. And from there, they went to the slide. They traveled down the slide, which was 1 meter in length. From the slide, they found Reagan, the captor of their baby doll, and they ran over there to use harsh words with her. From there, they ran to the monkey bars because she had disappeared, and they continued their search and kept going and got blisters on their hands from all those monkey bars. And then they got tired and went for a break to rest their minds. From there, they found Reagan sleeping and came up with a plan on how to retrieve the baby doll. They went back to the bridge and split up, and Amy snuck over to Reagan and stole the baby doll, where she dropped her to an unhappy fall to Mandy, who did not catch her. So now that we can see the total distance they have traveled, we take all of these distant vectors and add them up. Okay, so now I've taken all the vectors from our map, and I'm going to add up all of the distances to find the total distance. So we have 20 meters plus 5 meters plus 12 plus 1 plus 5 plus 8 plus 10 plus 10 plus 11 plus 8. So I combine these last two at the bottom. Okay, so 20 and 5 makes 25. 12 and 1 makes 13. Plus 5 makes 18. Then you have 8 and 10, which is 18, plus another 10 is 28, plus 11 plus 8, okay? So next you have 25 plus 18, which is 43. Then you have 28 plus 11, which gives you 37 plus 8. 43 plus, I'm sorry, this is 39. 43 plus 39 equals 82 plus 8, which gives you 90 meters as the total distance. Now we're going to look at the displacement that Amy and Mandy traveled, and the displacement is just the distance from the starting point to the ending point, which we calculated as only 20 meters compared to the 90 meters they actually traveled.
Wasn't that a great nap?
Reagan, darling, it's time to come down.
Mom!
Reagan, darling, do we need to go back to anger management classes?
No!
In order for Reagan to release her anger, she kicked the soccer ball through the air. The object was projected at an angle and traveled through the air in a parabolic shape due to acceleration due to gravity.
Hi, Mommy. Hey, where's your doll?